Sarati Koloi. Narok yakti sawi punogoi mano sini audience rono Sarati Koloi. Bandana Noatia. Raise your hand, okay? Show your hand so that people get to know you. Ratna Jamatia. Shilpana Debarma. India Jamatia. Priya Jamatia. Okay. Meheli Debarma. Basrang Debarma. Rahel Koloi. Rahel, okay. Angeline Ranko. Mamita Debarma. Thank you. Rupesh Debarma. Okay. Shushmita Debarma. Shavita Debarma. Ishita Tripura. And Kosojoy Rian. Borong kai tinini sini theater round ni competitors. Tabuk noroni results ani puskango sopajak angabono khuluk nai judges rogani thaneo yafarkha tai Norok kaham no rasap khatini Norok belai khe sakno yafarei dedication by khe Norok tini competition of phaika Phiaba jotoni no jora tongo jora phaika khe khoroksa kai joto norjak nai te ab haikeno Norok ni performance ni results nayi Norok no cheng sai narak nai ani bagi bo belai khe kutuk situation ang tongo Norok jotono stars Norok jotono belai khe kaham rasap kreng phia jotoni no kaisa jora tongo a jora no seng tabuk thangai tongo Norok ready da tongbai results khnanai Norok ready da tongbai ready kebo khabai glang nable खाता पाइडी खाबाई नहीं कॉकरे हार जीत होते रहते हैं लेकिन ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे आपको आना है if not this time maybe next time all right so let us go to the final situation the final result ready Mr. Rupesh Debarma belai ke hambai next only 10 contestant oro narangjang nai aboni bagai next Miss Shushmita Debarma Next, Miss Sarati Koloy. Excited? Baksani bagai khabai mano, piaba, khathinya kere, khalokti. Miss Priya Jamatia. Mr. Kosojoy Rian. Next, Miss any guess? Miss Mehli Debarma. Next, Miss Rahel Koloy. Next, Miss Isita Tipra. Miss, any guess? Miss Mamita Debarma. Next, one last one. Sabo? Any guess? Yes, Mr. Basran Debarma. Awang kasini tinini top 10 semi-finalist. Tini sini buskango borok sakno belai ke kutuk situation tiket langai borok bebak odds no matchini sekangai paikan borok gagai tini sini top 10 finalist. But nevertheless, right. So, many congratulations to you, semi-finalist. Borno sing next. I wanna sing Naline. And Norno Beleka Hambai. Sini je baki contestant no Beleka Hambai, Norok sing by Baksakai, Norok sing no competition Norok Kari Takar Rika. Tahute Bungsong sing Norno Koenamusungo. Pines Halago, Norok o contestant no support flight only. Tai baki je sing by Baksatini Yakari Panganaka, Borni Bagibo, Norok support lady, Zorao Norok. Taibo Kaham the Samung Horang Rias Kaiborok Buskango Paimanani, Borno Chubadi, Tai Tabuk Nibagai, Sing Tinini, the theater round, Avano sing closing of Tangitongo, Avanibagai Sini audience no sing Beleka Hambai, nor sing no support Laitongo Bagay, Ava Haikino, Taibo Katal Zorao, nor Naiman Pinai, on the 8th of December, Taiwasa. Semi-final round nor sing jotono Tipra Idol season 1 nor naimanai on the 8th of December, and don't forget to tune into TTAADC official website and Tipra Idol page for more latest update on the semi-final. Thank you so much.